It's...
Oh. I'm afraid to pass on the left.
Roadwork 2 miles. I wonder how this is gonna go. The tailgater is getting tailgated. Now he moved over. Okay, look at that nice looking chase rig.
Here. Compared to the Roadwork 100.
Yeah, we got some sun out right now. We got heat things up a little bit.
Yeah, at least just south of here, there's a little bit of sun. Live on YouTube, might get some people on here, might get some people on YouTube, don't know. We are, like I said, we're on Interstate 79. We're just coming into your Storm Alma right there. See if you see a funnel anywhere.
Nope, just nice base though.
Sweet.
There she is.
Alright, we're almost there. We're about a mile out. Logan's right behind us. We're getting ready to pull in right now.
There we go.
I heard right now.
Pulling in right now.
I'm everybody exit.
Okay, we're coming in the end. Oh,
look
we're
at
passing Route 8. Alright, we're coming up on Route 8 right now. And I think Logan kind of left Logan in the dust back area. He's catching up now. Would definitely be slowing down.
Look at that. That's like
Yeah, we're definitely getting into something here.
right there.
Yeah, it is. Holy crap, this would be where your tornado would be if you're looking for one.
Yeah. Doesn't look like it's spinning too much. It's just
Yeah, it looks real raggedy.
taking up more moist air.
Yep. And here comes the wet roads.
Right there. Yeah.
Time to start slowing down a little bit.
You drop me off here, I'll climb up into it and tell you what's going on inside.
Okay, sounds good. And we got some... Copy that. Yeah, we're thinking it's going to cross 422 eventually, maybe closer towards the Rural Valley and Elderton. That might be a good area to head to. Yep. Yeah, they are. Oh boy. Copy that. Just be careful, Dad. The rain picks up a little bit down here by 28. Come on, give me another lightning strike.
Yeah, that's what we need. We need more lightning.
That was nice. Like right there. You get it?
Yep.
One more lightning back here. And so is the heavy rainfall. Yeah, Ford City's only 2 miles, so that's not too bad. Oh, down the road. We're passing the Ford City exit now. They got the lowering dead ahead of us right now. You getting it?
Yep. Yeah, I see that right there.
It's spinning. I can see it over here on the left. He's spinning a little bit. Not a lot, but a little bit.
We kind of screwed the pooch and got off the wrong exit here. That's, of course, me who actually knows this area gets off the wrong place. But we got lowering here, so we're keeping an eye on. We're going to try to get back on.
Alright, we're coming up to where 422 exits to go towards Indiana. Is that where you want us to go towards? They had a big fire up here not too long ago at Elderton. They had to shut down all of them. There we go. Cadet Restaurant. What do you need? Light. I think I see Logan behind us. More light. Oh, Beanie and Barry's over here somewhere. No, this is nothing compared to the bear cage I've been in.
Oh, I know, yeah.
Oh yeah, right here to our right. No, maybe not. Maybe I'm seeing it.
I don't know.
It looks really fuzzy here to the right.
Right there, it's looking.
That's definitely spinning right here.
South of where we're sitting at right now.
I don't know, Landon. We might have a little bit of a funnel here. We might get a little bit of a funnel here. Yeah, there's a funnel. I see a funnel coming out of it. It's right in the middle of all that jumbled mess.
Yep.
We got a funnel right in front of us, probably about 100 yards right in front of us coming down.
Look at that.
Yeah, we're definitely right outside the worst of it right now. A lot of lightning down by Alderton, but yeah, the rain's coming into Alderton now. Once this line gets through, I think we have to sag south just a little bit, but I want to keep an eye on them supercells coming. Look at them things.
Yep.
Coming into Washington County.
Oh, I know.
Those are big, and the line really got big again too, right where we're sitting right now.
Look at that feeding in that storm trough straight ahead of us. Like right up in there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely the inflow band into it. That's where your wind's the heaviest right now.
Yep. And you can see some of the leaves coming down now.
Okay, we thought we had a funnel, not 100% sure, but it looked like one. Right now we're looking at the inflow band into the storm. It got really windy here. Logan, we're up here on your left, Logan. We're on your left, Logan, right here.
There we go. We got hail now.
We got hail. We got hail. Pea-sized.
Pea-sized hail. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm pinging it.
Yeah, I was going to.
Go for it. I'll do it as well. It'll look good. Oh yeah, we got hail. 100% hail.
Looking at pea-sized hail.
Hey guys, Storm Chaser Josh, Brinker PA Storm Tracker's got Landon here with me as well. He's checking radar and getting some pictures. We actually just had hail just west of Alderton, Pennsylvania, in would be eastern Armstrong County. See right here on the hood. Copy that, sir. We're gonna head down there. If you find a place to pull over and watch the weather, just give us kind of heads up. We'll pull in with you here. Got held up by Beanie Barry, wanted to chat for a minute. He knows it's just a speedy, messy day, but we're doing what we can.
I'm going to continue heading towards Alderton. That will put us in a good spot, I think, too, for these next rounds that are coming in that are going to follow the same kind of path.
Okay, cool with that.
Its ability, that's a whole other question. It likely will, because the temperature has dropped from 60 to 51 now, so.
Yeah, temperature definitely dropped. Oh yeah, it's really rough through here.
Yep.
Yeah, copy that. Maybe if there's a clearing coming behind us, maybe the temperature will. Maybe oh nope, there is hail. I see it. I see it bouncing. I thought maybe it was just heavy rain for a minute. Page is kind of staying ahead of it right now. Trying not to turn. Oh yeah, it's a roll up through there. Hey Paige, just getting your location. Beating Barry turning around too. I don't know what his plan is. What road you turn on again? Muskrat Slide. Do you copy that, Dad? We're going to be going down to Route 210. Route 210 past Elderton. We're going to be going north from there. Okay, Paige, we're just east of Elderton. We're going to jump on this Route 210 and head north to try to stay with this, because I think it's really starting to get going. Yeah,
it's wrapping up to our east right now.
To our east?
Yes. That's what I've been telling you. It's out by Marion Center. It's wrapping up right now.
That's north of here. That's way north of here, actually.
Well, what I mean is, like, it's northeast. Like, if you look out to your east,
that's north of here now. Okay, okay. Scratch the 210. Scratch the 210. We're going to continue on a little bit further towards Indiana, and then we might have to jump a little bit further north from there. Landon says it's starting to really wrap up near Marion Center. That might be a little too far for us to get to.
Yeah, probably. I'm just saying, if we can find a place to look east, you could definitely see it, I'm sure, because it's like right there.
Yeah, that 210 kind of takes us back northwest. We want to get east. We want to get out of this thing a little bit.
Yes, we do. Here we go, we got a storm approaching from our west right now. Beautiful looking storm. We actually had a potential funnel earlier that we were looking at. Again, these are all cold air. This is a cold core setup, so we potentially had a cold air funnel with that too. Some rotation off to the northeast. Can't really see it though, but we do have the potential for these storms to rotate. We do have a couple mesocyclones to our northeast. We're hoping that this cell right here will do the same thing. So we're hoping that it'll wrap up here shortly, but we don't really have a good view of that right now. But right now, lots of lightning with this as well. We do have a lot of good CG lightning, and some chasers back behind us. They are also experiencing some larger hail. So right in there, there's a lot of large hail with this as well. So we're expecting that to come along the way as well.
We got a huge funnel cloud here. Just east of Schlachta right now. Huge funnel cloud. It's really spinning really fast. It's coming close to the ground in a couple of spots here. We're just east of Schlachta. We're going to have to stay with this, but it's really moving fast.
Look at that structure, beautiful. And that updraft right there. Look at that, beautiful. Wow.
That's gonna be a heck of a view.
There we go. Yep.
Come out of this bridge. Wow.
Look at that.
That's a
beautiful.
There. We might not be going very far.
I don't think so. It's right here.
We might not be making it very far. It's right there.
Wow, that is beautiful. Wow, look at that show cloud.
Pretty lightning.
Got some lightning now.
I'm not. Well, the clouds are low, man. They're low, low.
Yes, they are.
awesome.
I think I might go left here a little bit. What do you think?
Patency on, my dad. Yeah, I'm agreeing with that. Because right here we're underneath it. The church would have been nice. Oh, hail! We got hail. We got hail. Oh yeah. Hail, 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 hail. That's some pretty big hail.
That is some big hail. Holy crap.
I don't know what you think. It might be best because we can get out a little bit ahead of this. I don't know. What do you think?
Oh man. We got some large ones. They're bouncing.
Yeah. We're gonna head back east, Paige, so we can get ahead of this and watch it. We're gonna get back east so we can watch it because we're underneath it here. We ain't gonna get ahead of it too much from here. Logan, did you copy that? We're going to be heading east. We're going to be heading east now. Where the church is, it's too much under the storm itself. So we're going to try to get back east. Just a little bit, maybe to watch this and see, let it come over us. I want to get out and get a couple pictures before, and then let it ride over us, and then we can be done.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think that we go back.
Somebody's house back here.
I know.
And it doesn't look like it's nobody's there though.
Here we go.
How's it looking?
So far, no gate. There is a house right up from us though, but the road bears off from the house and goes up to the left towards the towers. So far, it's pretty windy up here, but I'm not seeing a gate or anything yet.
Yeah, as long as you can get us up there where we all get up the spot up there, I think that's a good spot for now.
Face is defrosting. That was at least 32 degrees. I felt it. It was
cold.
It is cold. It's some cold winds.
Oh, I don't know about getting turned around back there. But big bump.
Oh,
Lord. Yeah, we can get right up to the towers. There's no gate or anything, but there's only, I mean, it's just a single dirt lane. I mean, oh, here's a little spot to the first tower we can pull in. But
oh wow. Look
yeah,
at
you
that.
guys can come on up here if you want to. There's no gates or anything until you get the whole way to the towers.
Look at that.
Oh, here.
That is crazy. Dude, the wind chill is probably like 32 degrees right now. Oh, it's so cold. Calm down now. Maybe. Oh, do they?
Go try.